Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to link a bank account to PayPal. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your PayPal account, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is how can you download the PayPal app? Now you can get PayPal on Google Play Store or Apple Store. That's dependent on the device that you use. Launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type PayPal. Now follow up with the on-screen instructions to install. Now after installing and downloading, it's going to take you right into the sign up page for PayPal. We're going to be required to sign up using a different account or to log in using an existing account, now whichever one you choose. Once you log in or sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a couple of features to have an exciting time in PayPal. So now here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to link a bank account to PayPal. From this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the bottom corner of your screen where you have home, finances, payments, rewards, and wallet. Go ahead and click on wallet, and that's going to open up the wallet window. Now over here, if you check the top corner of your screen, you have a couple of icons representing those features. You have view activity, you have add banks and cards, you have manage auto pay, PayPal savings, set up direct deposit, and a couple other features which are not available to me right now because my account has been temporarily blocked. Okay, but then if you want to link a bank account, go ahead and click on add banks and cards. That takes you over here. We have this extended options which include banks, and then you have debit and credit card. So to link a bank, go ahead and click on bank, and once you click on bank, it's going to take you right into, so I'm going to have to verify my identity in here because PayPal is highly security conscious. So in here we have a couple of banks that you can choose. PayPal is security conscious, so there's some features that are not going to be displayed, but right here in this window you have popular banks, and then you have the search bar at the top which says search for your bank. So you can search for your bank if you don't have your bank among these lists. So let's say my bank is Bank of America. I'm just going to click on Bank of America. After clicking on your bank, let's say for example Bank of America, which I have already clicked here, it takes you to this window that says start using your bank today. Log into your online banking to link your account instantly. So you have this continue button right here, so go ahead and click on continue, and once you click on continue, it's going to take you to the website for Bank of America where you have to input your sign-in details, and after signing in, that bank, that's the Bank of America, will be integrated into PayPal. So PayPal uses DRM that restricts certain features because they don't want certain features that are sensitive to be displayed via screen recording. All right, so that's pretty much the process. So you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.